So now yesterday we have studied about a string methods. So now we are going to be one more thing I want to discuss in the string method. So that is called a string tree. Trim. Trim means what? So what is like a trim? So that is a trim means something called a cut it. Trim method removes the white space from the both the sides of the string. Okay, how it will be? So I want to take up one file. So that is I will close all the files and I want to create a index 9.html and the doc. So I have created a my doc. Okay, so now h2. Okay, so now what I have to JavaScript uh, a trim method. So for the trim method, so the trim. See why it is method. So I use a double open close bracket. So that is why trim method. So then I want to create a script tag. So I want to create a variable let text equals to welcome to bitstream IO technologies something INC or whatever the thing. So I will add a some black space. Okay. So I will control Z. I will remove the backspace. What? Just a minute. Yeah. So I remove the backspace. Then I want to print the string now. How to print? So document dot write of what is that one text. So let run right click, open with the live server. So once it is open, see here it is a 5500. Where you will get a how will get to know it's running? So server is started at port 5500 or else here it is there port 5500 is there. So it is going to be open in your default browser. So I will close this one. Just I will go here and add here. Okay. So what is the thing? We are not finding anything here. So I want to find the document dot length. Save it, run it. So here it is a 39 is there. Same thing. What I will do? Let text to equals to. So text dot trim. Okay. So I have done a trim. So now document dot write of text to. Save it dot length. Save it, run it. Yeah. So here it is what is happening here. You are finding a same the output because of it is a what you can say taking a inside a double quote. So here just you will see the example here. So same thing the hello word is taken and all. So if you see the length 1 minute. So I will add some more black space. Save it, run it, see here. So I will add the text after trim. Sorry, trim. The text before trim. So we'll add a break here because it is not break, a break. Save it, run it. What is it? The text before trim is 56. the text after trim is a 39. Why it is happening? So anything between the start and the end, if you add something called a space, it is going to be trim means it is going to be cut this space and this space. So why like that? So what happens whenever you're writing the why we need in sense? So if you're going to be write a password, right? So password something password field, what happens? So if you just go here, the password, so you are going to be enter as some space or something like that. So it will be treated as, say I'm pressing a space bar, okay? Space bars also it is taking as a one character. So this that's why if you want to trim, if you want to compare, so for the whenever you want to create a password by mistakenly or something, you are going to be enter the hash or something, it is going to be taken as a special character, extra entry. So that's why if you want to stop that one, so what you have to do, you have to use a trim method. So passwords are always a trim. Okay, so only trim means what? It is going to be trim the extra spaces from the left and right side of the text. So that's it. Okay, so now directly we are going remaining. You just trim start and all this the simple methods are there. So just go through it, and if anything confusions, let me know. I will help you. So but these are all the very very important whatever the top I told, no? So these methods, because I am in working in the development, so I know this one. These are all the oftenly again and again we are using. Okay, so this is called a trim start and a trim end, and all the methods. Okay, so now that is a we are going with the next set of example, a string search. Okay, so methods is open. It's about a string searching, about a searching. Okay, just I will what I will cut it. I will add here only because it belongs to almost all methods. So text I will what I will take a text 8. So here also text 8, text 9, text 8, text 9. Okay, so let it be. So now I want to add a string, the string search methods. The string search method. Okay, why we need a string search? So you have 1,000 characters. Okay, so you want to replace the content. So how you are going to search? I think everybody seen the Three Idiots movie. So in that he is going to be replace all the some words, Control F and Control V. So that is he is how it is doing. So same thing. We'll go with an example you are going to see here. Okay, so I want to go for the string search methods. So what is the string search method? Okay, fine. So JavaScript, a string index of method. What is the index of method? Returns the index of the first occurrence of a specified text. Okay. So first, what I please locate where locate occurs. Okay. So let I want to create a okay. I want to create a one string. Let the text one equals to I want to take a welcome to string IO technologies. Okay, so here I want to find the index of whether it is a welcome or a to or stream IO technologies, anything. So I want to find the index of method. So what is the string here? That is a str. This variable contains this value, and I'm using the index of locate. Okay, let's go there to the code. I want to find the index of bitstream IO. So how to do? So I want to print the document dot write of. Okay, this is method. So I will use a one more method. What is that one? Document dot get element by ID of ID should be anything. Let's say I will take a demo dot inner HTML equals to, what is this one? A text one. So instead of text one, I will take a str. See, a text one also it will work. So string is there, so that's why I took a string. That's it. Str dot index of, so bitstream IO. Save it. So where to print? So here it is going to be go for the document and get element by ID. It is going to be find the ID from here. For that specific ID, it is going to be print the index of this bitstream IO. So how to do this? H2 hash demo. Okay, so here it is there. So right click, open with the live server. So it is opening with a 9. So already it is running in a sub programs here. So just I want to change the 9. So here it is a 11, it is printing. How it is 11? So it is going to be count from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So for the 11th index, it is going to be start a bitstream IO. Same thing. So that is why it is going to be print 11. So how it is happening? When the program is running start, then it is going to be go for the document object and get element by ID. So where is the ID? The ID is here in the H2 tag. You might have a S3 tag, or you might have a H4 tag. So it is going to be printer in the H2 tag only. So what if I make is this tag I will remove from here and I will add here. So the H4 tag is a small one. So here it is a small one. So this is the ID reference will be referred here. So this is my string. So I want to search my string means it is going to be get it. So sir, I don't want I have a paragraph. Okay, what is a paragraph? Uh, yes, Wikipedia. Okay, so I have this much para. So I want to copy. Okay, why it is not copy? Yeah, it's I think some. Okay, I will copy. So I will copy this one. Okay, copy, and I will add a text here. Okay, so I want to find the yash occurrence. So which one it is going to be find? So I will go here, a copy. I will add here, save it, or go here. Yeah, because it is showing us some textual error. So, sir, here also yes is there, here also yes, here also yes. Which one it is going to be treated as how many index? Whichever the first occurrence will be, no, so that will be treated as a that will be treated for a count. Okay, so that is a. I will just remove this content. Okay, save it, run it. See, S is at a zeroth location. Why? Because so it is a it's a zero. So if you add a something, save it. Let's see. So here it is two. Why? Because one, two. So this is a two space characters are there. So that is why it is going to be taken ash as a at a two. So if I want to add a here also ash, which one will be treated? Second only. Why? Because the first occurrence of the search which is going to be find the index. Okay, so same thing. I want to find the last index. Okay, okay. How to find the last index? Okay, so I want to find the same thing. Index of is there, and I want to find a document dot get element by ID of. You cannot take a same ID, so you have to make some changes. Inner HTML equals to, so what is this thing? The str dot last index of the hash. Save it, run it. So it is going to be print as a demo one. Where is the demo one? I will take a, so ID equals to demo one. Save it, run it. See the 193. So where is the 193 it is taking? So it is going to be take the last index. So this is the index of, it is going to be start here. The last index is going from the this from this location. The index of it is the starting, last index it is of what you can say from the uh, backwards to the front end. Okay. So now the next is a string search. I want to find a search specific strings to be searched. How to do? So I will use a one more thing, document dot get element by ID of I will take a demo to inner HTML. So what is the string? String dot search of what we have to search, any string. I want to find a Kannada. Copy, Control V. Okay. So what is the demo 2 is there? So I will take a ID equals to demo 2. Save it. I want to go here. We'll go here. Yeah. So it is going to be find the Kannada. So I want to add some meaningful text here. So how to add? So I think here it is for string search. It's difficult. How to add? If you want to add, I want to cut it here. Control Z, Control X. So you can add a plus symbol here. The what you can the string search method text add Control V. Save it, run it. The string search method text at a 62. 62 position it is there. So if you want to count, you can count like this. Up to here it will come here. So 61, 62 location it is having a their index. Okay. So this is how you are going to be search a string. The next the string search is for index of and last index, string search and a string match. Okay. So same thing I will take a string. So I will take a let text equal to the rain is a Spain stays mainly in the plain. Okay. So here a text match AING. So what is this one? This is called a regular expression. Okay. So first I will copy this one. So I want to add here let text. Then I want to call the text match dot AIN. Okay, and a G. G means what? So it's called like a regular expression. So if you want to print, so document dot write of text one dot match. So what string we are going to be match here? So this is a search pattern forward slash. So this is the search pattern and the G copy. So G is a, it's called a something like a regular expression. So what is the output it is going to be printed? So I want to add some text over here. The search pattern. Save it. We'll go here. Yeah, null is there. So why null? AIN. I will go here. So what we are doing here, our the match method searches the string for the match against a regular expression and returns the matches as an array object. So here it is. What is the mistake? It is the search for the AIN. So where is the AIN? AIN is a, here it is a plane is there. So still it has to be search text dot match. What is the mistake? Yeah, I will just remove this all those things. I need to add some space, sorry, save it, run it, still none. So what is the mistake we have done? So I think everything is correct only. So document dot the plain and is okay. Let copy paste any typo mistake we are doing. ind dot html and control V, save it, right click, open with the live server. Yeah, search string for AIN is there. Okay, so see here it is the AIN will come. Here is the AIN will come. Here also AIN come. So what mistake we have done? We'll understand our code. We'll go here. So the rain a text match. Here also correct and here also correct. A text match. Okay, there is a possibility like that. Okay, we need to use a document dot get element by ID instead of document dot write, and it is going to be search the text matches. So this is a thing you have to use it. That's it. So the mistake I think we are going to be fix it here. The text match, save it. We'll go here, document. Yeah, so AIN is a three times. So whether it is a AIN with a rain or a Spain and it is in the caps and a plane. So these three texts are searched here with the AIN. Okay, so this is called a what you can say document a string match. What is this? The match method searches a string for a match against the regular expression and returns the matches as an array object. So what is a term a regular expression is used? So that is called a Z regular. That is called a regular expression. The next is a the word. It includes a includes method. What is the includes method? Includes method returns the true if the string contains the specified value. So just I want to go here. So I want to let str2 welcome to word and business solution. Some double text. Okay. So I want to find out. I want to check the condition for a specific word it contains or not. If it is yes, So let's show, or else leave it. So how to do this one? So for that, I want to go here. Let okay document dot write of. I will add a one text here. The index of method is plus. So what is that? str2. Okay. Welcome to the world and business. str2 dot includes. What is that string? That string is a word. Okay. So save it. I want to find the I'm using the index of method. By the index of method, sorry, by the include method, I want to find the specific text. If it is there, it has to be written a true. If it is not there, it has to be written a false. So just I want to go here. So here it is a true is there. So for that, just I want to add a one break here. So it is going to be run it. So here I will add a break. See here it is a break. The include method is a true. What is include method is true? For the string 2, it is going to be checked for the word. If it is there, it is going to be written. What if I this is the word one and you are going to be search this one? Save it or run it. Okay. So what is the mistake? I will use a different string. Something called Bangalore. Save it or run it. See here. Now it is a false because there is no matching string. If it is the matching string, so then it is telling that okay, it includes. So if you add a solution Bangalore, save it, run it. See now it is a 2. So that is the includes method. It is going to be find the specific string. If it is there and it is going to be return a true. If not, it is not showing a true. So JavaScript string includes and JavaScript string starts with. Okay. And one more thing, I want to take one more example. Starts with the method. So why method? It is a double quote and a single quote. So why we are discussing all these things? See, Wikipedia is there. So you want to change all the content where the Kannada cinema will come. So you can't directly go and do it. So that is done with this coding only. And one more thing, you are using a Microsoft Word or a notepad or anything. So how they are doing it? So they are giving a string search, string replace and everything. In Visual Studio I want to show here. So I want to find some text. Okay. So Kannada. So I want to replace with a Kannada language. So you have a thousand location you have this replacement from the Kannada to Kannada language. So you are just using a Kannada to Kannada language. So this functionality is whatever you're doing, same thing. The code is written in behind. So that is what we are going to be discussing here. Replace. Okay. So string replace the last class we have discussed same thing. Now the starts with. The starts with method returns the true if the string begins with a specified value, otherwise false. Same thing. I will use a document dot write of the text. The string start with method is bread. What is the string which is str2 dot start with uh, welcome. Okay, so here it is a welcome. Document on it. The string starts with the method is a break. Str is there, so I have done a str2. Starts with. Okay, so welcome. So what is the method? The starts with method. So always the camel case should be there. Copy. So I have done a W should be in the caps. Starts with the welcome. So what it has to be written? If it is a correct, then it has to be written a true. So just we'll go here. We'll go here. The string starts with the method is a okay. So what is the mistake? To welcome. So here it is a we have done the spelling mistake. WELOL welcome. Well, oh, we added extra. Just I will remove, save it, run it. See now it is a true. So the str string starts with the welcome. Yes, it is a true. If I use a welcome one, then it is going to be something error false. Save it. So this is a true. Okay. JavaScript strings ends with same thing. Ends with what? So if it is ending with some specific value, so then it is correct. So Bangalore is the end string. So I want to use a document dot write of the string something str ends. So ends with ends with what is the string you want to pass it? So I want to pass the Bangalore because it is ending with the Bangalore. So just I want to see the output. We'll see here. We'll go here. So see, still it is a true. This is also true. Starts with a true and ends with a true. When it is going to be false, if you add a something one two three something like that, save it, run it. So now it is a false. Save it, run it. Okay. So this is how it is going to be. Uh, go with the string. Starts with and ends with. So this is an example how the string search methods are used. Okay, so if you learn this much means so almost all it's good. Then again we have something many methods are there. Okay, so we are going to be given later like the complete reference string. Okay, so if you know this much means it's more enough. Okay, the next it is coming with what is this one? String says number methods. JS number methods. What is a number method? So numbers. So what is a number? So number is a what you can say normal JavaScript numbers. So whether it is an integer or a string or a string number or anything, it will be there. So those are all called a numbers. So why we need a number means so it is an integer number and a string means it is a enclosed with a double quote. So JavaScript has the only one type of number. Number can be written with or without decimal. Yes. So that is the same number. So here the number is what? X 999 something like that. So here also y 99 is there. So if you want to print a x This is an integer number. This is also integer number. Numeric string. Okay, so this is already we have discussed. I don't want to go deeper here. The numeric string. What is a numeric string? It is a number only, but it is a string. How? The 100 is a number, but it is acting as a string. Why? Because it is enclosed with a double quote. So 100 is a string number, and the 10 is a string number. Let z equals to x bar y. So x is 100, y is 10. So that is a 100 by 10 is equals to a 10. So that is a, and one more thing is called a NaN, not a number. What is a not a number? NaN is a JavaScript reserved word indicating that a number is not a legal number. For example, you are adding 200 rupees with the apple. Is it meaning it? No. So 200, if you are adding a 200 with a 100 rupees or 50 rupees or 1 crore, 10 crore or whatever the thing. So that is a meaningful. So same thing here it is a JavaScript numbers. So then the infinity. What is infinity? Everyone know. So it is the keep on giving a number of output. So this is a two number text. My number is not equals to infinity. So just I want to run this program. Copy. What it will happen. So else I will take copy and I will add here. So let my number is 2. Let text I take one empty variable while my number is not equals to infinity. So, so what is our output? So I will use a demo 5 and h6 id demo 5. Right click, open it the live server. No need because already it is running. So just we'll go here. See here. 4 4 16 16s are like that, like it is going for the infinity. So this is called as the infinity calculation. Okay, JavaScript also it will act as a number. How? So if you use a new operator for a string also we have done, right? For a string, new a string, something called a array value. So that is a, sorry, object value. So then it is acting as a string value. Same thing here, it is a number. We are using a new operator. So now y is become a object. Why? Because whenever you use a new operator uh, with a string or number, that will be become as an object. So new operator means you can just assume that okay, this is an object. So that's it. The toString method. The toString method returns a number to the string. Okay, what is a number to the string? Okay, this is the number is there, so this is the integer number. Why? Because so this is the 1, 2, 3. All numbers are integers. Okay. So now what happens? Document.getElement by ID demo in HTML. X is an what? It is a of type number. So I am going to be converted into toString. Okay, the toString means what? It is going to be convert your integer number with a string. That's it. This is the exponential is there. If you want, you can study it or can ignore it. Exponential returns the string with the number rounded and a return using the exponential thing. So because we have not used much coding also. Two fixed. Two fixed returns a string with a number returned with a specified number to the decimal. Okay, so if you want to fix the value, so you just practice it. Okay, so no need to explanation. because only we are using a lot more like that number and what is this one? Numeric string, object, and not a number. These are the most oftenly used. So remaining you can just have practice it. What is a fixed, what is a precision, and a variable to number and all. So this is you just what you can say. Just you work on it. Parse float. So conversion to the float means what? So 10.33 is the floating value. So this is a 10 is an integer value. So 10.33 is the float value. So this is how it is going to be work. Okay, so this is all about the number methods. So next topic will come called the arrays. So this is very important. So arrays, objects, method, functions. So these are all the more oftenly used things. Okay. So array means what? Array means what? So it is going to be what is a JavaScript array? Arrays are an objects array or specified type of a object. This type of a operator JavaScript returns the object for a arrays. But JavaScript arrays are best described as a arrays. Arrays uses a numbers to access the element. Simple. This is a one theoretical question. So arrays it is going to be store the a similar data. Okay, in periodically. Okay, so now where we are using where we are using. So just I want to take a one more file, right click, close all the index 10.html and the doc, save it. We'll close here. So I want to tell about the arrays. What is an array means? So where we need it. So just I want to search a Google. So Google. So it's just a array. So what is seeing here? See, 1, 2, 4, 10, like that. These numbers are stored in a array format. Okay. So what is the array data structure? Here what happens? 2, 4, some random number added in the array data structure 2, 4, 10, 5, 15, 3 like that. So how it is storing? It is always storing with the 0 index with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. If you want to access the element from the this element 5, so how to do? The array of 3 means it is going to be fetch the value. So that is where going to be this. What is an array general? As a data structure consisting of a collection of an element of a same memory size, each identified by the least one array index or a key. Okay. So we have so many sentences, so we can go. So why is an array? An array is a collection of items of the same data type stored in a continuous memory location. So like that. So just I want to create a one array first. Okay, so let what I want to do. I want to go here, uh, h2 the arrays script constant persons equals to I want to create a the arrays. What is the array name? Person name Virat, Dhoni, Sehwag. It has to be who is next batsman? ABD and something Yuvraj. Okay, so this is a person array. or else if you want to make it as a cricketers, constant cricketers. So this is array I have displayed. So I want to, okay, so this is the array. So why we need arrays? So you have a cricketer's names, right? So how you want to store? So this is the data structure you are using, that is called an arrays. So cricketers, how to print this one? So if you want to print this, so console dot log of cricketers, save it. So just I want to change here because it is running with the index 9. I want to change to index 10. So Control Shift I, that is a, see here, Virat, Dhoni, ABD, Average. What is happening here? It is going to be store a 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the index. The actual item is a 1, 2, 3, 4. But here the index is a 0, 1, 2, 3. So how it is happening in the sense? It is happening with the values 0, 1, 2, 3. These are all the index, and this is the Virat Dori ABD. And so what if I add a one more value, uh, Dhoni, and who is another batsman, Dravid, Rahul. Save it, run it. We'll go here, see here. Now the fourth one is Rahul. But the total length is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But index is 4. Why? Because it is going to be start from the 0. So that is index is 4. The overall length of the array is 5. Okay, sir, I want to access only AB day. How to do this one? Or else first I want to print here. Okay, instead of console, I want to print it here. Document dot write of the creator, save it, run it. See here, Virat, Dhoni, ABD, Yuvraj, Rahul. Sir, I want to access only ABD. What is the location of Virat? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the location of ABD? 0, 1, 2. So cricketers of 2, save it, run it, see. I am accessing the only ABD. What is happening here? It is going for the cricketers and it is going to be searched for the index. Is the cricketers of 0 is no. Cricketer of 1 is no. Cricketer of 2 is ABD. It is going to be printed. So this is a 2, 3, 4. If you mention a 4, it is going to be printer Rahul. What if I mention something called a 6? Undefined is there because we have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even we don't have a 5 as well. But the length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here index is 5. But why? Because like this. So it is going to be start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is indirectly 5. So I will add a one more value. So Jadeja. So Jadeja is there. Okay, fine. So this is all about what we can say today's session. So arrays, I want to clear whole topics by tomorrow. Complete array, what is the data structure, how you are going to be store the arrays and all. Okay, so you just